Welcome to SGS online classes. Today I Abhishek Singh going to start class 5 EVS assessment 1 chapter 5 globes and maps part 2 maps. Let us start. Map. A map is a small drawing of the geographical areas of the world on a flat surface. A book of map is called an atlas, while a person who makes a map is called a cartographer. See here, this girl is seeing the book of maps. This is atlas. Student, it is not possible to show the actual size of Earth on any map. Therefore, a scale is used to measure distance and location. For example, 1 centimeter may represent 1000 kilometer on a scale. Suppose distance between two cities is 4000 kilometer. It will appear on the map as 4 centimeter. Now there are different types of maps. See, climate maps contain information about the climate of a region. Physical map shows physical features like mountains, rivers and lakes. Political maps depict state and national boundaries with their capitals and major cities. Road maps show the highways and roads, airports and railroad tracks. Topographic map shows the shape and elevation of a region. So let's see these different types of map. First, climate map. Student, this is a climate map of India. Temperature January, temperature July. Different colors are showing different temperature in that particular region. See, this color is above 25 degree centigrade. This portion is above 25 degree centigrade. Yellow color 20 degree to 25 degree centigrade. This green color 15 degree to 20 degree centigrade. This color 10 to 15 degree centigrade. This pink color below 10 degree centigrade. Like the temperature July. Different colors are showing different temperatures. See, this color in this region it shows that temperature is 32.5 degree centigrade. This color shows 30 degree to 32.5 degree centigrade. Yellow color shows 25 to 27.5 degree centigrade. So in this way climate map is shown. So next, physical map. Physical maps. See, this is the physical map of India. In this map, major rivers and lakes are represented or shown. See here, this line shows Ganga, Yamuna, Betwa, Ghaghra, Son, Satluj, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum, Indus. See a Dal Lake, Vular Lake. So physical map shows physical feature like mountains, rivers and lakes. So this physical map is showing major rivers and lakes of India. Now another map is political map, depict state and national boundaries. Let's see. This is the political map of India. See here, all state and capitals are shown in this map. See, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Jammu, Kashmir. So all state and capitals are shown. This is political map. This type of map is political map. Road map shows the highways and roads, airports and railroad tracks. See, This map of India is showing air route and sea routes. straight line is showing air route, and student, this dotted line shows the sea route of India, and straight line is showing air route of India, dotted one sea route. And after that, topographic map, it shows the shape and elevation of a region. Now what is the benefit of map or importance of map? Let's see. Maps can be rolled up and carried anywhere, unlike a globe. Globe is a spherical model of Earth. We cannot carry it everywhere, but map can be rolled up and carried anywhere. Globes show larger bodies like ocean, continents quite accurately, but smaller details like villages and towns cannot be shown properly. However, these are visible on maps. So, globes and maps part 2 map is completed. Thank you.